If you want to make your spreadsheet easier to organize, one simple trick is changing the sheet tab color in LibreOffice Calc. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, so you can quickly color code your sheets and keep everything neat and easy to find. This is a really helpful feature if you work with multiple tabs, different projects, or separate sections inside the same workbook. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick LibreOffice tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, you can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one that you already want to organize. If you're starting fresh, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. That will open a brand new spreadsheet where you can begin working right away. If you already have a file saved, just open that instead so you can follow along with the same steps. Now, look at the bottom of the Calc window where your sheet tabs are located. These are the tabs that let you switch between Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and any other sheets in your file. To change the color of a sheet tab, right-click directly on the tab you want to customize. When the menu appears, look for the option called Tab Color and click on it. This is the setting that lets you assign a specific color to that sheet, making it stand out visually from the others. After you click Tab Color, a color selection window will open. Here, you can browse through the available colors and choose the one you want. You might pick a color based on categories, priority, project type, or just choose one that looks good to you. Once you select your color, click OK to apply it. Right away, you'll see the sheet tab change to the color you picked, which makes it much easier to identify at a glance. That's really all there is to it. You've now changed the sheet color in LibreOffice Calc, and the new color will help you organize your spreadsheet more efficiently. This is especially useful if you manage a lot of data and want a simple visual system to keep track of everything. You can repeat the same process for other tabs too, so each sheet can have its own color. If you want more quick and easy tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you know when new software tips are uploaded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.